Wait, are you finding it difficult to create a working business Payoneer account? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a working Payoneer business account, which you can use to be sending money or receive money in any country you are in the world. Pakistan, India, Nigeria, or any country you are in the world. I'm going to show you step-by-step method which you can use and create a working business Payoneer account. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor. In this channel, I teach you how you can make money online, build your own business, and also how you can create any bank account in the world. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you step-by-step method which you can use and create a working Payoneer business account in any country you are in the world. Make sure you stick to this video and watch this video to the end, and make sure you also comment in the comment section of this video. Comment Payoneer, and I'm going to respond to you any challenges you are facing when creating this Payoneer account. Make sure you comment in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to respond to you. And if you're also finding it difficult to create a working business PayPal account in any country you are in the world, I have a video about that. I'll be leaving down the link to that video in the description of this video also. Make sure you go and watch that video so that you also learn how to create a working business PayPal account that you can use and receive money or send money in any country you are in the world. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you step-by-step method which you use and create a working Payoneer business account. Right now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how it works. Let's go dive into it. To create a business Payoneer account, first all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and you go and download Payoneer app. As you can see, this is the app here. And when you download the app, the next thing you are going to do is to click on open. When you click on open, the app is going to load up like this. As you can see, the app is going to open like this. Payoneer, all you have to do is just to click on register at the button like this. When you click on register, it will bring you to this interface. As you can see, it says let's get started. First, tell us a little about your business. So if you are representing a company which have LLC, or you have your own LLC, or you are not a single copy, or you are dealing with a cooperative, you can choose this first one. Or if you are an individual running your own business, all you have to do is just to click on this second one. When you click on this second one, you click on next. And when you click on next, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. To get started, tell us where you are located from. So you can decide to choose any country you are in the world, being India, Pakistan, US, Canada, any country you are, you can choose it. But right now, I am from Nigeria, so I'll be choosing Nigeria. As you can see, this Nigeria, I'll choose Nigeria. Then the next thing, I'll click on next. When I click on next, it will bring me to an interface like this. You say, how will you describe your business? As you can see, seller or sell medium size or freelancer agency. So you can decide to, if you're a seller, you can decide to choose a seller. As you can see, you can decide to choose anyone. So as a business owner, you know what to choose already. Now, as you can see, small business, let me choose this second one and I'll click on next. When I click on next, it will bring me to this interface. How would you like to use Payoneer? As you can see, how would you like to use Payoneer to get paid by client, freelancer, marketer, worldwide, then withdraw my funds and use them to pay supplier. Now the second one say to pay my global creators. So you can decide to choose anyone with card. So you choose this number one. When you choose this number one, you click on next. When you click on next, it will bring you to this interface. Say, great. Now let's get you set up with Payoneer. In the next first step, you will gather more detailed information about you. So you click on you and your business. You click on OK. When you click on OK, it's going to take us to where we are going to fill all our information, all the necessary information we need to get Payoneer business account. As you can see, it will bring you to an interface like this, and what will get started is your business registered with any government, business license, or tax authority. So if your business is registered with any of the tax information or tax from, then you put it. But if your business is not registered, yes, you said no. my business is not registered. So we leave it at my business is not registered. Now the next thing you are going to do is to put your full names here, your email address, every of your information. Now let me fill this information, and when you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface like this, as you can see. Then provide a complete accurate address, speed up your account approval. So you have to choose your country here, as you can see, country where you currently live. This is the country where I currently live. Street and number address. So you have to put this. Then click here and get OTP code. So they are going to send OTP code to you. You click on send OTP code. So in 30 seconds, you are going to receive OTP code to verify this. Make sure you put your phone number, every information. Now after putting every information here, you click on next. Now, as you can see, almost done. Now, so after it brings you to an interface like this, you are going to select if you are opening it for personal use or for business. So if you are opening for a business, all you have to do is to click on business account here. And when you click on business account here, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, say you can only add a company bank account that belongs to you. So all you have to do is to select your own country. So now I'll be selecting my country, that is Nigeria. Then as you can see, then my currency here, I can decide to change it to USDT. Now I need to put my bank here, select your bank. Then I'll put my account name here, my account number, and click on these two boxes. And after I fill all the information, the next thing I'll do is to click on submit. Now after filling all information, you click on these two boxes, and the next thing you are going to do is to click on submit here. And when you click on submit, they are going to, as you can see, it will bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successful and it's now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card to order one. So you can just read through this process. You are now in step 2 of the application process. Now, as you can see, review in progress. You will receive an email confirmation with the next several business days. As you can see, once your application has been reviewed, you will receive a notification. One, receive payment. Your application is approved. You will receive an email confirmation and begin receiving payment to your account. So this is the method you use, and you will now be creating your, this is the method you can use. This is the method you can use to create your Payoneer business account in any country you are in the world. This is the method. So make sure you go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You also find a link. When you click on the link, it will take you to where you start creating your Payoneer account. So make sure you go to the description of this video and you click on it and you start creating your Payoneer account. So if you find this information I just shared with you right now helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to my channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.